and dear students. We hope you have inspired the inauguration session of 5th International Conference on Real Estate Management and Valuation. It is my privilege and honor to be here as a young academic and propose vote of thanks today. On behalf of the ICRME 2021 Organizing Committee, let me call this is the University of Real Estate Practitioners here today. And on my own behalf, I extend hearty vote of thanks to all speakers, those who have shared valuable experience and knowledge. A big thank to Professor Neil Crosby, Professor of Real Estate, the University of Reading, for your excellent speech on the contemporary theme, International Real Estate and Valuation, Theory, Policy, and Practice. Your years of research, in-depth understanding of real estate valuation principles and prevalence value, and your ability to present the subject in an interesting way, integrating interaction, produce one of the most memorable evening in this conference history. Thank you again, sir. Truly memorable evening. We hope that you join us again to comprehend us. I must mention our sense of appreciation for the chief guest of honor, the chair, Professor Chair, Sampath Amartunga, the chairman of the University Grants Commission, Sri Lanka. For your pronouncements made this inauguration sessions excellent. We are also inspired by your great words. Further, we are grateful to Professor Sudhanta Liyanage, the Vice Chancellor, University of Sri Jawardhanapura, for the tremendous speech you made for the conference audience today, which uplift the interest of the audience of the conference. I like to express our sincere gratitude to Professor P.D. Nimal, the Dean of the Faculty of the Management Studies and Commerce. It seems everybody wants to express appreciation for your inspiring speech. Our special gracious goes to the academic partner of the ICRME 2021, the School of Architecture and Design, King Mongkut, University of Technology, Thonburi, Thailand, and Professor Michael, who help us strengthen the relationship between Thailand and Sri Lanka. Also, we thank our academic guest session speakers, Dr. Kanjani Baudhimadi, King Mongkut University of Technology, also Dr. Shanak Herat from School of Built Environment, Faculty of Design, Architecture and Building Environment, University of Technology, Sydney. Also for accepting our invitation, producing your remarkable speeches today. And the invited academic session chairs, Senior Professor Chair, R.G. Arivansa, Planner L.S. Susanta, the Head of the Department of Town and Planning, University of Moratuwa, retired Professor Janaki Edrisinghe, Dr. Mrs. Nishani Vikramarachi, Dr. Mrs. Ayoma Sumanasiri, the Head of the Department of Commerce, University of Sri Jawardhanapura. I also express my gratitude to Dr. Upili Pereira, the Head of the Department of the Department of Estate Management Valuation, for all your effort making this event success. We are honored to have a leader like you. I'm also very grateful, Senior Professor Chair, Professor Aryavansa, for your valuable thoughts and guidance as usual to the department and development of this profession. And we also would like to acknowledge our gratitude to Dr. Nishani Vikramarachi and Professor Padma Veerakon, the former director as well as the current director of Center of Real Estate Studies, for everything you have done, the contribution to develop this conference. I also express my sincere thanks to tomorrow's session speakers, Industry Dialogue, Mr. P.W. Senaratna, the former Chief Valuer, Government Valuation Department, Mr. P.D. Pratapasinghe from Royal Institute of Chartered Surveyors, Mrs. Bhagya Mahavitanage, Deputy Director of Sri Lanka Tourism Development Authority, Mr. Kushan Patiraja, the Director of Finance, Cinnamon Life, and the moderator, Mr. Shihan Bura, the Chairman, Royal Institute of Chartered Surveyors. Also, tomorrow we have two sessions. The second session, the Industry Dialogue. The dialogue speakers, Architect Russell Dandinia, the President, Sri Lanka Institute of Architects, Mrs. Yamuna Jayaratna, Director of Sales and Marketing, Mr. Namal Piris, CEO, International Consortium Private Limited, Mr. E.A. Priyashant, the Deputy General, Urban Development Authority, and our moderator and our Madam, Dr. Mrs. Nishani Vikramarachi, and our head of the department, the moderator, Dr. Mrs. Uppuli Pereira for the session. And also I like to thank Dr. Pratap Kalutandri, the chairman of ICRME 2021. You set the tone for the year by helping us to organize the successful conference. I appreciate your unfailing attention in detail with all the last minute snack checklist. We worried that something would fall in the crack, but you anticipate every contingency. Several online participants commented on how we have organized this conference. Finally, I would like to take this opportunity to record our hearty thanks to Professor Janaki Edirisinghe to her contribution to all the committee members, and also our conference committee members as well as the academic staff, Mr. Terence, Dr. Lakshi, Lasika, Hashini, Yashima, Nimasha, Anjani, and Dilrukshi for the perfect logistic support, help us extend to give us this superb inauguration session. I also extend my thanks to University Administration for their enormous cooperation organizing this event, the Bursa, the Registrar, and non-academic staff for giving necessary facilities for this conference. Also, the comparing today, we should thank her for coming and giving us this session, wonderful speak up and wrap up and rapport within this conference. We have been fortunate enough to backed by all of this team, motivated and help us. Also, we were backed by industry authorities as well as accredited organizations, Government Valuation Department, Urban Development Authority, Colombo Municipal Council, Sri Lanka Institute of Valuers, RICS Sri Lanka. You have done your job and result-oriented work for the conference. Well, we also show our gratitude to Alumni Association of EME, the Students Association, who help in hand. We know how active you could be if you are with us physically. I can't thank everyone enough for their participation and willingness to take on activities that were outside of their comfort zone. I would express our sincere gratitude, all of you, which I couldn't mention properly. Finally, I thank the virus for giving us this platform. Otherwise, it would be really difficult to organize such a huge gathering. It's very difficult to bring 400 or 500 people into one scenario, but we did it because of the situation you created. The virus also has come to a conclusion that it should not kill people. Instead, they have taken a new strategy to live with us harmony. Charles Darwin once said that it's not the strongest surviving, but the smartest. Our theme today is smart real estate, smartly. Now it's time for us to rebuild this poor nation, take it back to the working wheel, and recondition all the fallen real estate sector smartly. So let's inspire today and tomorrow for better future and stay safe. Thank you.